লোকের পিটিলো লম্বা লম্বা চুল এমন মাথায় বেঁধে দেব লাল গেন্দা ফুল।
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, as you guys already know, today I'm going to create this look inspired by Jacqueline from Genda Phool. From that video, I really like the Bengali look. Even all the three looks are really pretty, but I thought let's create the Bengali look so that you guys can create this at home. So guys, one more thing, you don't have to use whatever I am using. I actually don't know what her makeup artist has used, so I used whatever I have. So you can use whatever you have. You don't need the exact thing I'm using. So this is just an inspired look. I'm not trying to copy her because I cannot. She's flawless, so I don't really want to copy her. It's just an inspired look. Today I was feeling literally bored, so I was going through all the YouTube videos and all of it. So then I noticed I haven't done a recreation from a really long time, and Genda Phool's song is something very new, and this look of Jacqueline is so gorgeous, so I thought let's create an inspired look of her, of that look. So let me know if you guys like this look or not, and if you guys want to see how I create this beautiful Bengali look inspired by Jacqueline, then please keep on watching. So I'm starting with moisturizing my face. I'm using the Myglamm Glow Iridescent Brightening Moisturizing Cream. Next, for my primer, I'm using the Sugar Primer Stick, and I'm applying that all over my face and just blending it out. For my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, and my shade is 310. For my concealer, I'm using the Pac Spotlight Concealer in the shade 07. The beauty blender I'm using today is from Plume. Baking my under eyes with the Kryolan fixing powder in the shade P4. For contouring, I'm using the Sugar Power Clay BB Cushion in the shade number 55. Again going back with the same fixing powder, and I'm baking my under eyes, my nose, around my mouth. For my brows, I'm using the Pac Super Brow Cream in the shade 03, and the brush here I'm using is from Faces Canada. Cleaning up my brows with the same Pac Spotlight Concealer, and the brush here I'm using is from Forever 52. Now I'm just dusting off all the baking powder I have on my face with the help of my Forever 52 powder brush. Now I'm going to set my face with the MAC Studio Fix powder foundation. My shade is NC41. For blush, I'm using the Jacqueline USA Perfect Glow Powder Blush in the shade 02, Call Me Blush. For my highlighter, I'm using the Master Chrome Highlighter by Maybelline in the shade Molten Gold. The brush here I'm using is from Forever 52. For my eyes, I'm using This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette. First, I'm taking the shade Bed of Roses on my Sigma E55 brush, and I'm going to pack that shade on my crease just on the outer corner. Next, I'm taking the shade Nude on my Pac 204 blending brush, and I'm going to blend that shade further on my crease. Just take your time and blend the shadow on the crease so that it looks really nice and flawless. I'm using both the shades on my lower lash line as well, and I'm using the Sigma E55 brush. Now I'm taking the shade Highlight on my Morphe shader brush, and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid. It's mainly focus on the eyelid, and then I'm just going to blend it with the same Pac 204 brush on my crease so that it looks blended, not harsh at all. Now I'm setting my face with the Faces Canada makeup setting spray. Now for my eyeliner, I'm using the Sigma Gel Eyeliner, and the brush here I'm using is from La Cara. This is their eyeliner brush. For mascara, I'm using the Chambor Lengthening Mascara. I'm going to apply that on my top and bottom lashes. For my falsies, I went with Rufa Beauty Shasha. Now I'm going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone using the same highlighter from Maybelline. Now I'm priming my lips with the Sugar Lip Primer, and then for my lipstick, I am going with the Girlactik liquid lipstick in the shade Sweet. Finishing off this look with the bindi and some jewelries. So guys, this is the finished look. What do you guys think about it? I think I did a great job because I think it turned out to be so beautiful. Honestly, I don't wear anything red. I don't like wearing anything red because red is something I want to wear just on my wedding day, okay? But still I'm wearing this sari, red and white. I hope you can see that. It's my mom's. So anyway, I really love this look. Let me know if you guys like this look or not. And you can definitely change up the lip color if you don't want a nude shade. You can go for a red or a maroon, anything you like. And you can just recreate this look with whatever products you have, and you can tag me, and I'm going to share it on my Instagram stories. So don't forget to tag me, guys. Definitely tag me. I will definitely reshare that. So yeah, that is it. I am going to mention the product details. Whatever I have used, I'm going to mention it down in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out. And yes, thank you for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.